To change the front gear case fluid on your Razor Turbo R, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, place a drain pan underneath the front gear case drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Before removing, clean the area around the fill plug in the passenger side front wheel well. Then, remove the front gear case fill plug and set aside. Next, move underneath the vehicle and locate the drain plug through the hole in the skid plate. Continue by cleaning the area around the drain plug. Then, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Note that the drain plug has a magnetic tip and must be installed in the bottom of the gear case. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the gear case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Then, reinstall the gear case fill plug and torque to specification. Once filled, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.